Merry Christmas. I'm Diana McQueen, MLA for Drayton Valley Devon and Minister of Energy. It's hard to believe another year has come and gone. On behalf of Premier Redford and all my colleagues at the Alberta Legislature, I want to take a moment to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and best wishes for the year ahead. In particular, I would like to thank my constituents of Drayton Valley Devon. Your continued support is so very important to me, and I look forward to continuing to work on your behalf in the coming year. We have much to celebrate in Alberta, and I hope you have time this holiday season to share laughter and cheer with your loved ones and friends. I also encourage you to take time to give thanks for our countless blessings. I look forward to the new year and all the opportunity it presents for Albertans. From my family to yours, Merry Christmas, and may 2014 bring you peace, joy, and happiness.